Hello! Today's video is all about how to make parallel turns. My favorite way to turn, such an important skill to know too. It's the best way to make a sharp turn, sharp U-turn, in my opinion, the best way to go down a hill. And also it's a good one to know if you ultimately want to progress into your spinning. Kind of a tricky turn, but I broke it down into 4 really easy, simple steps. Step number 1 is going to be to scissor your feet. One foot in front of the other foot. I get a lot of comments saying, Coach Polly, I'm really struggling with scissoring my feet. Can you please help? Do you have any tips? So I actually really thought about this. Do I have any tips? And really my best tip is to just practice. You could hold on to something and then get some speed and practice putting one foot in front of the other foot. So step 1 is scissor, and your front foot is going to be the direction of the turn. So if I'm turning left, I'm going to have my left foot in front. And you're going to be transferring your weight to your front foot, which means you want your front foot to be extra strong. So another skill that you should work on to get ready for your parallel turns is one foot glide, so you can build that strength and balance on your dominant foot.
Everybody, can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh, everybody, can you feel?
And you should learn your one foot glides both ways, same as you would learn your parallel turns both ways. Step number 2 is edge.
Hey everybody, I'm Air Dolphin. I'm a guest in today's video. I'm going to help Polly out explain how to do edges, or what edges are. So your wheels have an outside edge and an inside edge.
The outside edge is always your pinky toes. The inside edge is always your big toes. And when you make a parallel turn, you're going to use corresponding edges. That just means you're going to edge your wheels the direction that you're going. So
when you're taking a right turn, you are going to lean on the right side of your wheels, and when you're taking a left turn, you're going to lean on the left side of your wheels. It's as simple as that.
One exercise you can try for practice, put your feet together and just get used to your edges. In figure skating, they call this slalom, and in slalom inline skating, I believe that it's called a fish. To step 3, rotate. So this means you're going to turn your head. When you turn, your body will naturally start to turn. This also means turn your shoulders, turn your arms, lean into it. So I'm going to scissor, edge, turn my arms, turn my head, and lean. That was a really tight one. It's scissor, edge, rotate. Tip number 4, you already know it, practice. Keep skating, keep practicing. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. So to review for your parallel turn, scissor, edge, rotate. Practice, practice, practice.